We're going to do a quick demo of the Forever 2023 resin diamond stones. Here you go. We're going to cut this edge off. So we got a dull knife. This is CTS XHP Super Steel. Now this is the 1000 grit resin diamond stone. So this stone cuts very quickly. It polishes very nicely. All right, we got a nice burr. We're going to raise the burr on the other side. Like I said, these stones cut very quickly. I just cut that edge off, and this is a 1000 grit. All right, we got a burr. Let's go ahead and deburr this knife. Knock that burr loose. This 1000 leaves a very nice scratch pattern. We should be sharp. Here's the finish. Very nice polish for a 1K. And we should be sharp. And, ooh, look at that. We are beautifully sharp. We can swirl cut. Oh, yeah. These are beautiful stones. All right.